Hey guys, welcome back, and this is the Brave browser. This browser has been making some significant noise in the browser market, and today we take a look into what makes it stand out from the rest of the browsers out there. I have started using this browser lately, and I must say that I'm quite impressed by its performance. So let's start with the origin of the Brave browser. Like the majority, it is based on Chromium code, the same one used by the more popular Google Chrome. It is developed by Brave Software, which was founded by the creator of JavaScript and former CEO of the Mozilla Corporation. So we can at least conclude here that this browser is not particularly a bad one, hopefully. Then what else makes it better than the Chrome? Well, there is a lot to admire here in this browser. First, which according to me is the most important one, security. Once you start surfing the internet on this browser, trackers keep getting blocked by the shield feature that you get with this browser out of the box. It upgrades HTTP connection to sites to the more secured HTTPS connection whenever possible. Brave also blocks ads on every website, which protects against malware without requiring you to download some fancy ad blockers from the extension store. But there are some kind of ads that you may actually like to see, which I'll talk about in a moment. Now, when you navigate to the start page of the browser, you can see all these statistics. How many trackers and ads have been blocked so far, how much bandwidth and time have been saved, etc. About the bandwidth and time, you probably have guessed it by now. It is due to the ad blocker engine. More ads blocked means less content to load and thus more time and bandwidth saved. This is particularly very useful for those who use LTE for connectivity, as Brave does an impressive job to save you folks both time and data. Coming up next is the Tor secured incognito mode, which I don't think I have seen in any browser yet. So the first question is, what's the difference between the regular incognito mode and the Tor one? We all know that switching to the incognito mode doesn't really make us anonymous in the vast world of internet. The IP is always exposed. What makes Tor special, or the onion router so to speak, is that it enables anonymous communication. What this basically means is that with Tor connection, you're mostly anonymous on the internet. Instead of connecting directly to the website that you desire to visit, the connection is routed through 3 different computers in the Tor network. The IP address that the requested websites get is the one that corresponds to the last Tor computer, which is not the same one as yours. Thus, trackers cannot track your data. This also means your ISP won't be able to know which websites you are visiting, because now you are not establishing a direct connection to the website, rather connecting to a Tor network. But this whole Tor thing has its downside as well. Due to this bridging connection via several computers within the Tor network, your internet experience will be a bit slow than usual. But I guess that's better than being tracked. Tor has its own browser though that you can check out. But now you have Brave, which is sort of composition of Google Chrome and Tor browser. Next up is the inclusion of Brave rewards. Brave blocks ads right out of the box. That's correct. But it shows non-privacy invasive ads or Brave ads that have zero involvement with malwares and trackers, and more importantly, it does not collect your information at all. Now you may ask, is it any different than the regular ones? Well, yes. The main point here is that you can earn cryptocurrency in the form of basic attention token or BAT by viewing these ads. These ads are tailored by your browsing behavior. Don't worry, all of these are done locally on your system and not in Brave servers. For every ad that you view, you get 70% of the revenue, and you can pass that on to your favorite content creators to support them, provided they are Brave verified. If you head to the settings page, you can choose how many ads you want hourly, or you can go completely ad-free. That's totally up to you. On the right side, here you can withdraw the funds, for which you need Uphold account. You can check out the link in the description below to create your Uphold account. And finally, the browsing speed. It is undoubtedly a fast browser. From my experience, I can say it is definitely faster than the Google Chrome. Part of the reason for that is the fact that advertisements are blocked by default and are not loaded along with the web page. In case of Chrome though, all of the revenue comes from advertisements, so ads need to be run in that browser. So Brave does make a huge difference here, and you get better browsing experience overall. It feels very snappy and responsive. Design-wise, it's mostly like the Chrome with little bit of tweaks here and there. And obviously you get the privilege of having the Chrome Web Store for extensions of your choice. So it basically means you are using Chrome but excluding its downsides with added important features. With over 15 million users at the time of the publication of this video, Brave seems to be the perfect browser we all have been wanting for so long. It is fast, blocks annoying ads, offers cryptocurrency on viewing particular ads, supports Chrome Web Store extensions, has multiple layers of protection and much more. It has even won the Golden Kitty Award for the Best Privacy-Focused Product of the Year 2019. So it has really set a pretty high bar for other browsers out there to follow. That's been it. I'm using the Brave browser from now on. Let me know in the comments below if you are considering using this browser, or are you still gonna stick with Google Chrome. Like and subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this in the future, and I'll see you guys in the next one.